Let me tell you, around direct mail, there is a secret sauce. All right, sending out postcards or letters is not just that. Less than 3% of all the deals come off of that initial interaction with the seller.
Note the word there. The initial interaction.
Yeah. The 97% of the profits, the deals, are going to come through a little bit of follow-up because not all sellers are ready yet.
Yep,
all right.
Exactly.
If you're going to do it, you're going to have to do the follow-up. 90% will come after the sixth interaction. And by the way, it is an untapped market. There's very few people that are really doing this for multifamily. And so I'm going to walk through a few things.
Now, Gary, doesn't it drive you crazy when somebody says, well, I tried direct mail and it didn't work for me. And then you ask the most logical follow-up question, which is, okay, how many letters did you send out? How often did you do it? I just did one round and that was it.
Yeah.
Like, well, of course it didn't work.
Yeah.
Like
my favorite thing to hear is when people say direct mail doesn't work.
Oh, I
love to hear it because I want the competition out. I want people to come back and say it because it is. Now I'm an old guy. Remember Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark? Remember they found
Gary, I just tried to tell one guy one time that I was interviewing. I said, "Hey, have you ever heard of Don Rickles?" And he just stared at me with a blank stare. Like, you got to be kidding me! You got to be kidding me! So,
well, they were looking for the Lost Ark in the middle of Egypt, Cairo, right? And they found the tomb, and they didn't find the tomb, but they found the stick, and they found the medallion. But they were searching in the wrong place because it's not. You have to have a bunch of pieces in place. Number one is the list. So most important, we call it the 6 M's of direct response marketing. The 6 M's, and I can go through. It's in the guide that I'll send everybody real quickly. It's the market, which is the list. It's the message, the words or the copy. It is market message media of whether it's postcard, letter, offer package. Multiple, how many times you do it over how many months, and then it is the money. And the money is how much do you have to spend to get enough leads that turn into enough yeses to make enough offers to close a deal. All right. And what I'm going to share with everybody is if you're doing direct mail, if you're sending out a few hundred postcards, it's a waste of time. It's like going to the slot machine and dropping in a quarter and think you're going to win the jackpot, right? It is a numbers game, first and foremost. And then once you have those leads, there's a follow-up process of interacting with them that really could be automated. That's where we fill in.